guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you all can see, the setting is quite different. Let me know what you like more, if this is more better or the earlier setting was better. What do you all like? Let me know in the comments below. Please guys, also please to engage in the comments down below. It helps me to rank my videos higher, and yeah, it really helped me out. So without any further ado, let me show you all my favorite hair care products. So some products are gonna be there which are not really available anymore because I got them from like elsewhere, and in India you don't get them. So actually there's only one product like that, but I love it the most. So let's start with the shampoo. My favorite shampoo and my favorite conditioner. My favorite shampoo for the longest time has been the Sunsilk pink color shampoo and the pink color Sunsilk conditioner. Now, very recently, I tried out this shampoo, which is by Herbal Essences, and this is in the smell, I guess. This is white strawberry and sweet mint, and oh my god, when I tell you guys, this smells amazing. It is next level. Like the bathroom will smell so good, your hair will smell so good. It's amazing shampoo, although I do feel this shampoo is not the best if you have dry skin, dry hair, and it gets very frizzy. It's not the best shampoo for you all, but if you have like soft hair, silky hair, straight hair, it's a really good shampoo. And yeah, that's my first favorite shampoo. I only have one favorite shampoo anyways. That's my first favorite hair care product. Moving on to a conditioner. I don't use a lot of conditioner because my hair naturally is very silky, so I don't want to make it like too unmanageable by using a lot of conditioner. So I always buy this small wala Sunsilk conditioner, and I only buy one conditioner till today. Maybe like I've tried a conditioner here and there, but this has been my constant, which is the Sunsilk lusciously thick and long conditioner. So the conditioner and the shampoo both are my favorite. If I have to like blindly just buy a shampoo and a conditioner, it's always gonna be the pink Sunsilk shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, probably after this gets over, I might again switch back to my pink Sunsilk shampoo, but for now I have this. So yeah. So one other shampoo which I genuinely have loved is this Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, and it is amazing. It is beautiful. It retails, I don't remember for how much. I don't know how much it retails for, but I'm sure you can find this on Amazon. Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, and yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, it smells kind of like I like argan oil, but it's amazing. So yeah, this is something. So yeah, this is something I love. This is one more shampoo, but again, like I said, my OG love is Sunsilk pink shampoo. Now that's the shampoo and conditioner that I use. Now other than that, after having a shower, taking a shower, washing my hair, whatever, once I come out, I do apply a few products. So I'm going to tell you all what products are those. Now I have a few options here with me. And the reason I have them is because I don't actually know. I just keep buying them, but they all are really good. There are like other products which I have purchased, but I don't like them, so I'm not going to show it to you all. These are the ones which I have purchased, and they have been really good for my skin. So I'm gonna, not skin, my hair. So I'm gonna show you all. Okay. Now let's move on to the hair serums. The first one I want to show you all is a very common serum, and I think most of us have tried it out at one point or the other, which is Livon Ka serum, and this is like my go-to, always my go-to. So as you all can see, it's almost finished because I use this a lot. So yeah, that is one thing that I use. And it smells also really good, and it has vitamin E, which is very good for your skin and hair, not skin, your hair, for skin too, but for hair too anyways. So this is one of my favorite hair serums. Then after that, there's this one from Garnier, Ultra Blends, and oil and cream sort of a thing. So you can use this after you have washed your hair, and it just makes your hair much more like manageable if it's being very frizzy. So if you have dry hair or frizzy hair, this is a really good option for y'all. Now after that, I'm gonna come to this. It's the Argan Oil of Morocco. It is the oil, and obviously it's argan oil, and this is beautiful. I apply this at night sometimes, and I'm gonna go to bed. I just apply some of this and I leave it in. Also, I do apply this on my hair after I wash it sometimes. Like sometimes you wash your hair and they are looking very frizzy. So those times I sometimes do apply this also. As you all can see, it's used because I have loved the product. So yeah, this is one of my favorites for my hair care. Moving on, there's one more serum which is from BioReach Professionals, and this is a argan oil hair and body serum. Now you can use this for your hair, also for your body. So it's like a hair oil slash hair serum slash body moisturizer. It's like a lot of stuff it does, and it comes in this glass bottle. It looks really expensive and classy, and it feels also amazing on your skin and your hair. So yeah, I think you all should really try this out. It is from BioReach Professionals, really good, and I do not remember how much it retails for. No clue, but if I'm able to find the cost of this, I will put it in the description box below. And yeah, that's one of my very favorite products. Like when you're traveling, you can just carry this one thing and you're good to go for your hair and your body. So it's amazing. So yeah, this is something that I genuinely love. Now my last product. Now this is my favorite. Unfortunately, I am not able to buy more of this because when I was back in like 2019, I believe, when I was in China, I in Beijing, I got it from there. It is from this company called Fayasi, and it is a leave-in conditioner, and oh my god, you guys, this smells so good. I do not know what it smells like, but it reminds me of something that I love a lot, but I do not know what I love and what that thing is. Every single person, like my family and my friends, whoever have used it, they have loved the smell too, and it works amazing. You just have to spray it on and just leave it in, and it just smells amazing, makes your hair feel much more smoother and softer. So yeah, that is something that I love using. So but unfortunately I can't buy more of this, but I have quite a bit of product left. As you all can see, it's over till here. I'm using it ekdam kanjusi se, so I am able to make it last for longer. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Those are my favorite hair care products, and these are the products which I use often as in like almost every day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you all did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell too. And yeah, please to engage in the comments. It'll really help me out to grow my channel. And do share it with your friends, family, whoever you think will benefit from this and who will love watching it. And that is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.